ಧೀಮಂತ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಅವ್ರ ಫಾದರ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಧೀಮಂತ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಪುಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿನಿಂದನೇ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏರ್ವೇಸು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಫುಡ್ ಪೈಪು ಸಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇನೇ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ನು. ಆದರೂ ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲಿಂದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹೃದಯಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಏರ್ವೇಸು ಮತ್ತು ಫುಡ್ ಪೈಪ್ಸು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೇರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗಿಂದ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ವರೆಗೂ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಪರಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನೀಟಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್, ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಏರ್ವೇಸ್, ಟ್ರೈಕಿಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಪರಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
I'm Sindhu. We are put up in Jayanagar 5th block in Bangalore, and I got delivered in October 2016. Thing is, like when I got delivered, by the time next half an hour, baby has turned blue. So they found some issue in the food pipe and all. So some issue was there. So they found that, and there they have operated minorly in Malti Manipal. After that, a few days he had problem in breathing problem also he started. So we found that here in the Narayana Hridayalaya, we found Dr. Sanjay Rao is the best person to check all those things and to get operated. So we shifted him from Malti Manipal to Narayana Hospital in the month of in the month of first week of November, here in the Narayana Hospital to Dr. Sanjay Rao sir. Next, sir has checked up everything, and he found that tracheal cleft is there in his thing, and it is in the third stage it was. So he took him for the operation and all. They have done tracheal cleft operation, and gastrostomy tube also they have put it. Then tracheostomy tube they have inserted to him. To his breathing problem has solved by that. After that he had so much of issue with that, and he was comfortably, he started taking feeds through his gastrostomy tube, and that secretions how to remove and how to take care of him very well. Those things they have taught, all the Sanjay Rao sir team has taught us, like everything from the scratch to how to handle the baby with the tracheostomy tube. They have taught me, like I can handle the baby at home without any fear. They taught me that. That was very helpful for me to do that. They have in a contact with me with the phone and all. Like if I call up in any time, like in 24/7, if I call in any time, they used to respond me, and they used to give me the solution how to care the baby, and they have taken care of my baby as their baby. Like they are owning that baby like that. They were caring, and that's the beauty of the team of Dr. Sanjay Rao sir team, and they have taken care with all the care, like his overall health and overall improvement and growth, everything they were watching, not only with the tracheal malleable cleft or only with the gastrostomy tube. And that's the why he is fine now. He is now 4.5 years, and there is no issue with the tracheal cleft or this gastrostomy tube and all. They have removed everything, and he is doing fine, and everything was fine. And it's like we found that when he got operated that day, we found that like it's a big issue, and I didn't felt like I'll be taking my baby live to my house. It was my feeling that day when sir has taken with his hand. It's like miracle I felt, because God is there. That's why he is with me. Yes, he is my son Demant, and he is fine. He is having that marks now, only that thing. Other than that, he is fine. He is doing everything fine. He is very naughty and very active, hyperactive, and he takes all the feeds. He will do all the activities like other kids do. Actually, I am having twins. My one of daughter, she is fine, healthy, and he is also same, and no difference with them. Like, we'll not find any difference with the kids because his health is as normal as the normal babies. Because of Sir's group and his effort, it's seeing here. He is the one. Thank you.
Yeah, greetings from the Department of Pediatric Surgery, Mazumdar Shaw Medical Center, and Narayana Hrudayalaya Hospitals, Bangalore. I am Dr. Sanjay Rao. I am Senior Consultant and Head of the Department of Pediatric Surgery at Narayana Health City Hospitals, Bangalore. Dimant is now 4.5 years old. We saw him for the first time when he was about 5 or 6 days old, and he was known by his mother's name at that time, Baby of Sindhu. This child was diagnosed to have a complex anomaly of his food pipe called a tracheoesophageal fistula esophageal atresia, for which he was operated in another hospital in the city. However, after the surgery, he was not extubatable in the sense that they could not take him off the ventilator. With this, he was shifted to our center. Here he underwent a detailed assessment by us and by our other colleagues from the airway team, the pulmonologist, the geneticist, the neonatologist, the radiologist, and it was determined that this boy, in addition to his esophageal atresia, also had a grade 3 laryngotracheal cleft with tracheomalacia. In other words, his breathing passage and food passage were abnormal and communicating at multiple levels. He underwent complex reconstruction of this anomaly when he was about 2.5 weeks old, and subsequently has undergone staged procedures to allow his breathing passage, his trachea, and his esophagus to develop. He remained on a tracheostomy for almost 3 years, following which he was successfully decannulated. He was also being fed through a tube in his stomach for several months before he could start eating normally through his mouth. However, after all this, the boy has developed and grown fantastically well. He is like any other playful, normally developing, chirpy 4-year-old boy. And a large part of that credit goes to his parents, who have taken extraordinary measures to try and encourage his growth and development. Dimant is an example of a child with a complex aerodigestive problem. Our department of pediatric surgery here at the Mazumdar Shaw Medical Center has a special interest in managing children with aerodigestive disorders. We have a very large cohort of patients under our care and have perhaps one of the largest number of operative reconstructions of the aerodigestive tract performed by any group within our country. Our speciality is the fact that we are able to provide comprehensive care to these children with multiple specialists bringing their best to focus care on the child and ensure that the child with these anomalies recover and reach their full potential. With available expertise today, we are sure that a vast majority of children, even with very complex aerodigestive anomalies, can be assured of a full reconstruction, return to normal life, and a long, healthy future. Thank you.